Look, Shawty, what's up? I ain't tryna be rude, but I seen you looking at me, looking at you, looking at me, looking at you, looking at me. If my eyes don't deceive you, like what you see, so we can skate off up out this lift and go somewhere a little more private, like back to my crib, but not on no typical shit, like playing Scrabble. I dabble with wordplay. So this.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Gabrielle B, back with another video. If you're new to my channel, hello. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell because you should really get notified when I drop another video, because I'm really lit. If you didn't know, now you know. What's up, what's up, what's up? Let's get into the video. All right, y'all remember this beautiful button up that I had bleached. If you don't remember, go check out that video. I bleached some of my little thrift stuff that I bought. You know, it came out so nice, little sun, you know. But I'm not done with this shirt. You thought? So after bleaching it and everything, I was like, you know, I could do a little something else with it. So I was thinking, why not crop it? I don't have a cropped, like, it looked cute. I think it would look really cute cropped. You feel me? I might add a little something else to it later on down the line. Who knows? But for now, we're gonna crop it. You see? We're gonna crop it and let's get to it. All right, so I'm not completely sure if I want to just leave it like this, because I think I want to like mess with the ends a little bit and like frame, you know how you do it, like the ripped jeans and stuff, and you like pull it out. I don't know. So I'm gonna try it and then, you know, put it in the dryer and all that stuff and see, and if it come out how I want it to, I'm gonna keep it. If not, then and only then will I go ahead and hem up the bottom of it. Okay, that's why I cut a little bit below the pocket where I was gonna originally cut at, because give you some room to like make sure if you want to hem it, you can hem it and it still look, you know, good. So we'll see. All right, so what you will need is a needle, you know, the end of the needle. Get your shirt and you just start like pulling at the thread, like going through and trying to pull out the thread. See, can you see that? You know, stuff like that. And we're gonna see how it looks, see if it, you know, gives me what I want. Because if it do, baby, we just took this shirt to a whole nother level. But this is a thrift flip, so more to come. I'll be back. Oh, done. Well, that's it for this video. If you liked it, make sure you like this video, comment down below if you want to see more, subscribe to this channel for more, and hit that notification bell so you can get alerted when I drop another video if you already didn't know that. But see you later, guys.